Yep, she's waiting patiently. I just got her breakfast ready. Look at you. Okay, remember? We gotta get in your seat. Get in your seat at the table. Get in your seat at the table, remember? Yeah, in your seat at the table. Come on. Come on. Come on, in your seat. There you go. Good girl. All right, all the way in your seat. Yep, I got you water. Everything's frozen over. Good girl. Okay, wait, back in your seat. There we go. I know, you were just tripping over to get to those eggs. I got a hungry girl today, huh? Pretty good, huh? Good stuff.